What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
And if you're new, please subscribe and like. I greatly appreciate it. Well, I'm just here today to give you an unboxing video. That's my daughter. That's my nephew. And one of them's in the bathroom. So, we are going to unbox our Kylie Cosmetics.
Who's we?
So, well, mainly me. That's who we is. Okay, smarty pants? Anyhow, we're gonna unbox it. So get ready. Sean, that's weird. Okay, what's in there? Are we ready? Oh! It says Kylie Cosmetics.
What's it?
All the way from Oxnard, California.
What's it?
It took a little while to get here. Look at the box though. It says KylieCosmetics.com on the inside. Then it says Kylie Jenner. Why do you think they don't put it on the outside? Maybe because they don't want nobody to steal it. But look at that.
What is that?
That's a nice little flyer. Oh look, it's a pretend note from her. Pre-printed. Ha. I hope you love your latest purchase. Stay tuned for more exciting products coming soon. XOXO Kylie Jenner. All right.
Rude.
First thing we got here is the Kylie lipstick. It's Kylie Jenner Mate. Oh, let's see. Kylie Jenner Mate Liquid Lipstick, and it is a Posy K color. We'll see how that looks on me with my dark skin. Probably gonna make me look a hot mess. But this is what I really wanted. Boom!
What is it?
The Kylie black eyeliner.
Are you serious?
Fabulous!
Why do you say fabulous a lot?
I love the word fabulous, that's why.
It's so.
So that's it. That's what came, and then they put this little fake thing here, and then there's nothing else.
Why is it so huge, but there's only two small things in there?
Exactly. That's what I want to know. Why? So they could charge us $10 for shipping.
Oh wow, there's only two things in there though. Hi, Sativa. Including a huge box.
Okay, so that's it. That's it for now. That was now for the outro. That was it. I hope you enjoyed that video of my Kylie Cosmetics unboxing. That's my niece. It's my daughter, my nephew. Ooh, don't put their finger in their nose. Alright, anyhow, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Peace!